launch on the IP server IP address, and then choose your language. Put your username, admin, password 1 2 3 4 5 6, and code ID demo login. Firstly, you need to find resource before you play the program. Editing a new file. Upload the file. You can choose a video or some simple picture. Click it and OK. Start loading, and it will be shows the process for loading the file. After finish, then you will see it on the system, and then click play. Editing the program. Click the program you want to edit. Give a new name to the program you want to play. Editing the program. Now you need to figure out the resolution of your screen. The real resolution for the screen for width is 192 and height is 64, and then confirm. After confirm, then you save, and then now select the picture to the program. After selecting, then close the window. And now you need to find the position whether you want when it's coming, you can display it automatically. Now this is an example. Our address is located in Shenzhen Longgang district. Let's find the position where we closing, it will be displayed. You just need to click your mouse, enlarge the map, and find the position. When you find it, you just need to mark on it. If you find it wrong, then if you find the place is wrong, right click the mouse and it will be cancelled. Okay, save. It will give you pop up a window for success. After you choose the position. Now you need to order the program. Now let's see how it looks like. Select the program that you're testing. And now you will see it finish. Okay, now finish.